an easy way of squaring 2-digit numbers. Here we are going to see how to find the square value of 2-digit numbers in an easiest way instead of using the usual way. Before that, we may remind the square value of the numbers from 1 to 10. Look here, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. Now let's get into our topic, squaring 2-digit numbers in an easiest way. Take a number, say 99. How to find 99 square in an easiest way instead of using the usual way? Firstly, find the square value of each digits. Here 9 squared is 81 and this digit 9 squared is again 81, and then multiply the two digits 9 into 9, which is 81, and then find the value of 2 times 81. This 81 is here, which is 162. 2 times 81 is 162. Now leave this unit place and write this 162 from tens place digit like this, 2, 6, 1. Now add these two values. Here 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, put 0 here, 1 is the remaining, 6, 7 and 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Therefore 99 square is 9801. If the square value of the digit is single digit, then write 10 in front of the number. Say for example, take another one number, say 13. Suppose we want to find the value of 13 square. Here 3 squared is 9. Instead of writing 9, write 09. Again this 1 squared is 1. Instead of writing 1, write 01 here. Now find the product value of 1 and 3, which is 3, and then find the value of 2 times 3. This is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Now leave the unit place and write the 6 here in the tens place. Now find the sum of these two values. Here it is 9, 6, which is 1. Therefore 13 square is 169. So using this way, we can easily find the square value of any 2-digit numbers. Thanks for watching this video.